Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 5 of my keto challenge. This morning I'm going to walk into town and I'm going to the yoga garden to attend a beginner class for 100 pesos. So let's go. Okay, back from my yoga class. I'm definitely a beginner in yoga, but I think that was good. It was good to go and try a class. That's what this whole adventure is about, is doing new things and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. The yoga instructor had said today to be grateful for your body right now. And I thought that that was really useful for me on my journey of health and weight loss, is that I should be very grateful for where I'm at right now today. And even though I have the goals to push forward, to lose weight, to get healthy, but also to be very mindful about where I am right now. Okay, I think it's time to whip up a little bit of brunch. Another gorgeous day here in Los Barriles is coming to a close, and we are going to get some supper going. We are going to be doing a chicken and cream sauce recipe. Now, I did feature this recipe once already on my channel, so I won't go into a whole lot of detail, but I'll show you generally what I'm doing. So we're going to be starting with a couple tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna shave off a little bit more of our red onion here. Probably, again, about 2 tablespoons. Into the pan. Now we'll saute this for a few minutes till they get nice and golden. I just realized I didn't show you guys my handy garlic crushing tool. It's made by, looks like Joseph, and it's a garlic rocker. So all you need to do is just put it on and then rock. I don't have a lot of extra kitchen gadgets along in the camper, but this is one that I like. Okay, 2 cloves of garlic in with our onions. This is getting a little bit done faster than I'd like, so I'm just going to add a little bit more butter because we need enough butter to heat activate our spices. Here are our spices that we're going to use. I also like to use marjoram if I have it, but I'm having a hard time finding that one here in Mexico. Now it's about a teaspoon of each. Now just give them a good mix in the hot butter here. Now we're going to add some whipping cream. I'm going to say about a half cup. And then we're going to add some sour cream and probably about 3/4 of a cup. I'm quite used to making this sauce just by feel, so if you feel like it's too thin, then just add more sour cream, and if you feel like it's too thick, then just add more whipping cream. And now I'm just going to season with some salt and pepper. I let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. So just like our butter chicken recipe that we did the other day, I pre-sous vide'd the chicken breasts in advance, but you can use any cooked chicken or leftover chicken. Rotisserie chicken works awesome in this recipe. Well, we'll just cube up this chicken and toss it into our sauce. We'll just coat all the chicken with the sauce. And we'll put it aside and move on to the broccoli. All right, I just made some florets out of the broccoli that we picked up at Chipito's yesterday. And I have it in a steam basket here, and we'll steam it for probably like about 3 or 4 minutes. All right, looks good. Okay, here is the final result. We steamed our broccoli and poured some of the chicken cream sauce on top. And this is our tasty keto meal. Thanks again for following me on my journey, and I hope you'll subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.